visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Maiba tayo ha. Let's talk about manifestations and tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari sa mga manifestations nyo, B. No? So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours and believe in the divine timing kasi this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan po kayo, no? Kung kailan nyo makita ito, the message is meant to find you. Six of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Justice. So, parang sinasabi dito ni Universe, no? Hold on tight. Dahil the Six of Wands represents good news. So, ibig sabihin, meron mang konting delays, no? Pero manatili tayo sa faith na makukuha natin ito. Whether this is manifestations of romance, whether this is an abundance of wealth, health, no? Or even injustices, kasi justice card is here. Yes, there may be things in life na medyo na feel natin it's unfair, no? Dahil ginawa naman natin yung best natin, no? Pero hindi naman ito nangangahulugan, hindi na sa atin ibibigay. Tulad ng sabi ko, meron mga konting delays dito. Sabihin natin, kumbaga may traffic lang, no? Kumbaga sa funnel, no? May clog lang, no? The flow of your manifestation is about to arrive. The Seven of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and the Hangman. So, nandito ka kasi sa situation ngayon na iniisip mo, humanap kaya ako ng ibang pagkakaabalahan. Humanap kaya ako ng i-divert ko, i-shift ko yung energy, yung focus ko sa ibang bagay. And baka sumasagi sa isip mo, no? Kalimutan ko na rin itong manifestations na ito. Well, the Ten of Cups in here. Andyan na siya. Alam mo yung story na merong isang minero, no? Hukay siya ng hukay to get a pile of treasure. It could be diamonds, what have you. But I feel like it's a diamond, no? Doon sa story na yon. So, ang lalim na nahuhukay niya, matagal na yung ginagawa niya paghuhukay. Hanggang napagod siya. Umakyat, humanap na ibang trabaho, humanap na ibang pagkakaabalahan. So, merong bagong minero, nakita, ay may butas dito, no? Hindi nawala ng pag-asa yung bagong minero. So, parang, kasi di ba pa nakita mo yung butas, sasabihin mo, may galing na dito, baka wala na. So, sabi ng minero, try ko pa rin, no? So, medyo malalim na. That minero, parang konti lang yung ginawa niyang effort. Yung pala konting-konti na lang, nandun na yung malaking treasure, nandun na yung hinahangad nung una-una sa kanya. So, the moral of the story, no? Nandun ka na lang din, tapusin mo na. Nandiyan ka na sa ginagawa mo, nandiyan ka na sa manifestations mo, might as well, antayin mo na lang yung resulta, no? Kasi, baka matulad tayo sa Minero, konti na lang, andyan na, pinalagpas pa natin, iba pa nakinabang. With the Hangman, nandun ka na nag-iisip ka na no? May patutunguhan ba to? The mere fact na inisip mo na may patutunguhan ba to, you send out a signal to the universe na sinasabi, hindi ka pala sure, no? Na kaya kong ibigay yan. The more that you doubt me, your wish is my command. Here's more reason for you to doubt na mangyayari ito sa'yo. You're prolonging the agony of waiting. So tulad ng sinabi ko, might as well nandiyan ka na, panindigan mo na, dire-diretso mo na, and soon enough you're going to achieve it as long as you'll go to the stream of certainty. No? The doubt itself may weigh down your manifestations. So this is your reading. Let's check your zodiac sign. If this is really meant for you. The zodiac sign may be your sun sign or a placement in your chart. Scorpio, Taurus, Libra, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Aries. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the